Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Thursday. Now there are two significant weather systems affecting the country today. The first is this high pressure system that's going to be ridging further eastwards. Now what this is going to do is push in cooler and moist air in up in the northern parts of the country. This has already resulted in a cloudy start to the day for many areas, and we'll see the cloud cover persisting over parts of the Lowveld and along the escarpment. On the opposite side of the country, we have this low that's going to be moving down the western coastline. This is going to help to draw winds off of the coastline. Bergwind conditions in that area, a sunny and warmer day expected across the region. Partly cloudy on the other hand for the east coast, and it's going to be a mainly clear day through the central parts of the country. The rainfall probability map indicates that there will be drizzle at first along that eastern escarpment down into the far northwestern corner of KwaZulu-Natal, perhaps around Ladysmith and Newcastle. This area will be clearing out as the day goes on. No rain in the forecast for the rest of the country. Maximum temperatures indicating a cool day over parts of the Eastern Cape, the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and along that escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Cooler for Gauteng. Johannesburg gets to 23, and we're also expecting lower 20s for parts of the Northern Cape. Along that west coast, on the other hand, there we see the shades of red indicating where temperatures will exceed 30 degrees this afternoon. Now for your coastal forecast, and we're expecting offshore wind conditions along the west coast for today. Fresh at times around Namaqualand, swells reaching 3.5 meters with a 15-second period, quite a long period swell across the region. Light winds around Table Bay at 15 kilometers per hour, but heading further south, fresh winds in the forecast for Hermanus and in particular around Cape Agulhas. Fairly high swell today at 4 meters and also with a long period of 14 seconds. Now along the south coast, we're expecting easterly to southeasterly winds, moderate up to 30 kilometers per hour around Mossel Bay. And finally, along the east coast of the country, southwesterly winds will be dominating. Those will be fresh at first along the KZN coast, moderating as the afternoon progresses, and swells reaching between 3 and 3.5 meters. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday.